Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to take a few minutes to do this other video real quick. It's basically going to be about deciding the order in which you're applying your relaxer. Now, this is a very important topic. I know you all have your nice head of hair, and different parts of your hair might have different textures, a different level of looseness. For my hair, right here at the top is the loosest part of my hair. If all of my hair was as loose as here, I would be happy. Everywhere else is more tightly coiled, and that could be just due to the fact that I'm sleeping on my hair, so hair is always pressed on, and I'm not sleeping on here obviously, but that's how this part of my hair is. Now, for me, the crown of my hair is very fragile and it breaks very easily. That part of my hair I want to leave for the last. Now, the order in which you process your hair will determine the amount of breakage you can get sometimes. For me, this is the process that I usually do, and I'm going to explain why. So usually I would start from here, even though I mentioned that it's the loosest part of my hair. I start from here. Now, the reason for this is simple. If all else fails during my relaxing, this is the part that I'm going to do my center part or my little side part and drop my hair down. And so when these parts are processed well and I wear like my hair down, it reflects well on the rest of my hair. Now, the next part of my hair that I like to do is the nape around here, because I want to make sure that whenever I pin my hair up, all my little rollies around the back are gone. I want around there to be smooth. I also want my edges to be relatively smooth. And so those are parts I would do first, not as in putting on the relaxer on my edges first, but going in with it first. So I start here and I work my way down, and then I would go around the back and do my little brushing in and work my way up to the crown, because I want to leave the crown for the last, since that's the most fragile part of my hair. Different persons need to determine how it is, or what it is the best way for you to apply your relaxer, and it will definitely help with breakage. The edges should be left for last, but if you want your hair to be really sleek, if that's the look you're going for, do what works for you. But I wanted to mention that it's really important to determine how it is, the order in which you're going to process your hair. If you're doing it at home and you do it one time and you're going through and you notice that, hey, right here is a little bit, next time you could probably start there. The other time you could start there. You could start on the left side, from here on the left side down, here on the left side, on the right side down the next time. Or as I'm going to do, I'm going to just do here and take from each side all the way down so it can be uniform. I don't want all over here to be processed and then over here isn't as much. I want it to be really uniform, working my way down. So my next video, as you can see, I have my gloves on, my hands are sweating, I'm so hot. I need to cool down a little before I start relaxing, because it's not a good idea to be relaxing while you're hot. It affects how fast your hair processes. So I'm just going to cool down a bit and then I'm going to start the relaxer process. So look out for that video. Bye.